This is the Amazon Fire TV Cube. It's a fantastic hands-free streaming device that delivers all kinds of content with very impressive speed. It's been awesome to use for the past couple of weeks now, and I've used a lot of the other top streaming devices in the past as well. There were some interesting things I found out that actually could make it perfect for some people. Inside the box, there's the Fire TV Cube itself, the Alexa Voice Remote Enhanced, a USB cable, a power adapter, an Ethernet adapter, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick start guide. The Fire TV Cube should be placed 1 to 2 feet away from any speakers, including your TV speakers, and it shouldn't be in a cabinet because that would impact it from hearing the voice commands. To set it up, plug one end of an HDMI cable into the Fire TV Cube and the other end into your TV. Plug the power adapter into an outlet and into the Fire TV Cube. Turn on your TV, then select the appropriate input. There is a light strip across the front of the cube, and the light color tells you what the device is doing. If the devices you want to control are inside a cabinet or out of sight, set up the IR extender cable by plugging it into the IR port on the back of your Fire TV Cube. Insert the batteries into the Alexa Voice Remote. It should automatically be paired with the Wi-Fi. Then it will ask you to sign into your Amazon account. Give some easy on-screen setup instructions, and after that, it's good to go. Another option is to connect directly to cable via the Ethernet cable that was provided. The main menu of the Fire TV Cube is clear and easy to use. This is where you can access the content that you want to stream. There are lots of categories to choose from shown along the top, including live, your videos, movies, TV shows, and apps. Or you can use the search function to the left and search for specific things there. There is tons of great free content available, including movies, TV, and sports that you can find and easily access with the Fire TV Cube. Subscription services that you use like Amazon Music, Spotify, Netflix can be accessed here too, so all your content is accessible in one spot. Unlike the Fire TV sticks, the Cube operates totally hands-free, so there's no need to press the remote to get Alexa. It can be asked to find shows, control playback, and even manage smart home devices. The TV can be controlled by voice as well, including the volume control, mute, fast forward, and the other standard TV functions. Alexa can give news updates, check the weather, or even control other smart home devices like your lights and thermostat. And it can show you live view picture-in-picture camera feeds without interrupting your show, a really cool Cube feature. The Fire TV Cube has super impressive power and speed. It's twice as powerful as the highest level Fire Stick 4K Max. It uses a new octa-core 2.0 GHz processor. Plus, it has 16 GB of storage, and it also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. And it gives the option of direct-to-cable connection with the provided Ethernet cable. So if speed and responsiveness is a key focus, the Cube is the tool to use. The streaming quality is fantastic, with its 4K Ultra capability and support for various HDR formats, including HDR10+, HLG, and Dolby Vision. The Fire TV Cube really gives a cinematic viewing experience. And it supports Dolby Atmos, so the sound is awesome when it's connected to compatible soundbars and home audio systems. I love the overall immersive quality this device provides. Like with the Fire TV Stick 4K and the 4K Max, the Cube provides smooth, fluid gameplay and fast rendering graphics with a 750 MHz GPU. Switch to low-lag cloud gaming with auto low latency mode support. You can play games like you stream movies with a subscription to Luna, Amazon's cloud gaming service. Or Amazon Prime members can play a rotating selection of games free on Luna. For when there is more than one person using the TV, the Fire TV Cube has personalization using profiles with recommendations, viewing history, and watch lists for each person in your household. The Fire TV Cube makes it easy for Prime members to add from over 100 channels like Discovery+, Showtime, Starz, Paramount+, AMC+, Cinemax, and more with no extra apps to download and no cable required. It's small enough to be portable, so just unplug it from the TV, throw it in a bag, and take it along when you're going to a friend's house or even on vacation. All you need is an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi or cable access. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is a fantastic piece of tech that provides a totally hands-free way of streaming all types of content and a powerful cinematic experience right at home. It has an easy-to-use menu, and it connects to lots of free content along with your preferred subscription services for movies, TV, music, gaming, and more. It is controlled by voice control of your TV and smart home devices. It supports 4K picture and Dolby Atmos sound quality to give really immersive viewing. It's compact and portable enough to take with you and can provide personal profiles to manage viewer preferences. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.